the same time, Pat, I'd love to hear from your perspective. How do we take an entrepreneur and actually get them to lean into our growth coaches? Because by definition, a growth coach is actually supposed to kind of get in there and kind of tell them a little bit of what to do.
Yeah. I was going to back up just a second. Chris had mentioned market access, and that's really table stakes anymore these days. It's so much more than that. And what I see as a recruiter when people come on, the economic play is easy to discuss with these folks. The numbers work when you join us. They just do. So getting past that, it becomes the conversation with your point, Chad, talking to entrepreneurs and those folks that are coming on board that may think they know everything. They know a lot of things, but I talked last week on a recruiter call that talked about a lot of our competitors and the staffs that they have. We have 15 employees, and we have 10 counties in North Texas.